Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Amazfit T Rex from the Amazfit company. As you can see, we have the package here. We are going to go in depth on this video. We're going to see what we have in the software, in the package, how it will work, and all kinds of stuff. So we will do some tests as well. The T Rex supports swimming. It has a 1.3 AMOLED display, and it's touchscreen with Gorilla Glass 3 Plus, anti-fingers, and so on. We have different sensors like bio tracker, optical sensor, 3 acceleration sensor, geomagnetic, ambient light sensor, etc. Also we have GPS, and the T Rex we have the charging time, which is about 2 hours, and it will last about 20 days, which is a very good deal. We have heart rate monitoring, we have sleep monitoring, GPS turned on for 30 minutes a day, we have message pushing and notifications, etc. So the T Rex function with Android 5.0 and above, also iOS 10.0 and above, which means this is a newer smartwatch and it will operate with newer systems like iOS and Android. So as you can see, we have quite a few options in the T Rex, so we are going to see them and try them for ourselves. First we are going to see what we have in the box of T Rex. As you can see, we have the box here. In the first pair of box, so as you can see, we have the Amazfit T Rex name with this amazing reflection color. We have the T Rex itself, some of the things that we will find in the T Rex, which are military standard AMOLED display, 20 days battery, water resistant, built-in GPS, and multi-sport mode. In the back, as you can see, we have some information as well, like I said. We have some information about the device, the performance. So this is the box of the Amazfit. Let's open it up. We have another box with the Amazfit logo and name in it. We don't have any information in it. It's just white box with the Amazfit logo. Probably they did this box unbox for more protection, which is never a bad thing. As you can see, immediately the T Rex shows up. We have a beautiful look into it. As you can see, it sits really good. It looks beautiful and strong. We have 4 buttons, up, down. Also we have back and the button to power it on and function, other functions as well. In the box, as you can see, when you pull from that top tangle thing, it will reveal the user manual and the charging cable. As you can see, the user manual is very small and thick. It has different languages, so it's not a problem for the Amazfit to sell it worldwide. You can see the charger as well. It's pretty good, long enough, and very simple and easy to charge the T Rex. You can see the material of the charger as well, same as the watch itself, are great until now. We don't have any complaints at all. So let's take a look to the Amazfit. You can see the bands, or the rubber bands, which are very comfortable to wear in daily basic. We have the screen, as I said, the AMOLED Gorilla screen. We have the buttons, we have the color, and all kinds of stuff we can see right here. And the back, as you can see, we have the sensors. Some of them are built in, and now we can see the software without any problem. It's powered on right now, and you can see that we have here the first page, which we can change. We will see that later. How much option do we have for the first page? As you can see, we have the back button that I use sometimes. You can see right here from the first page, if you hold it like all the other smartwatches, we have unlocked the part when we can change the wallpaper. In the left we have notifications. Up we have a taskbar. You can see the percentage of battery, date, we have the torch, do not disturb, lock screen, brightness, and we have the power saving method. Next we have the heart rate measurements, steps, burn calories and meters, and that's it for this part. In the right we have the apps or the menu, starting from status, heart rate, workout. Next we have activities, weather, music, alarm, event reminder, timer, countdown, find my phone, compass, and settings in the end of the menu. So you can see we have a few options, not too much. We saw more in other smartwatches as well, but it's enough and it's very useful stuff. So this is the software of the Amazfit T Rex. So let's see how it will work, test some things, and see how it will function with these options. You can see right here, starting from the heart rate, we have to wear it with the one finger method, as I always tell you. Press go, it will start to measure a few seconds, and we should have some information in the screen. Let's wait until the measurements are here. You can see we have the colors in the top of the screen. Right now we have relaxed, and it goes all the way to tired. I think it's tired, the red one, so it depends on your tiredness. And now we are at the sport. As you can see, we have quite a few of them. Actually, there are plenty of them. You can see we have from skiing to outdoor running, which we are going to try. As you can see, we have the time at the top, we have duration, distance, pace, heart rate. In the next page we have seconds, average, pace, and other information as well. We can save these information that we did, or we can pause, save, or give up, as I said. So these are the workouts or sport, and this is the software that we can try it and use it. Also, while I was not filming, it came an update. I couldn't get into film, but here it is, explaining and showing you what it is. This is the PAI, which stands for Personal Activities and Intelligence. So what is PAI? The PAI gives you a score based on the past 7 days of activities. Your ultimate goal should be to maintain 100 PAI or more. You earn PAI points by elevating your body movement and heart rate pumping counts. The higher your heart rate and the longer your heart rate is elevated, the more PAI you earn, allowing you to get healthy in less time by increasing the intensity. So guys, this was all for today's video in showing you the Amazfit T Rex and unboxing it. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.